we doing here? This is not us.
What do you know about us?
Innit? You know about us?
I know that you are.
Actually, no, I'm meant to be this guy, so I should be agreeing with him.
Guess what? We're shitty people, Joel. It's been that way for a long time.
No, we are survivors.
This is our chance.
It is over, Tess.
Oh shit, spit coming out his mouth and
We
everything.
tried. Let's just go home.
Don't be trying to test like that, you know.
I'm not going anywhere.
Go on, Tesla.
This is my last stop.
My God, that is.
What?
Our luck had to run out sooner or later.
You going on?
No, don't! Don't touch me.
Holy shit. She's infected.
Let me see.
I didn't mean for this.
Show it to me.
How did the girl know? Oh!
Christ.
She been munched up like that.
Oops, right?
Fuck off. When did she get munched like that?
Give me your arm. This was 3 weeks. I was bitten an hour ago, and it's already
An hour ago.
This is fucking real, Joel. You've got to get this girl to Tommy's. He used to run with this crew. He'll know where to go.
No. That was your crusade.
So she's
I
gonna
am
die.
not doing
Oh,
that.
that's
Yes,
my
you
baby.
are, but-
That is. It was literally just scrapping zombies together.
Some sort of obligation to me, so you get her to
Nah.
Tommy's.
Why does everyone just start getting packed off so quickly? Yo, Ruby, I appreciate the like on the live. I appreciate that.
They're here.
You know what I don't appreciate?
I can buy you
What?
some time.
Nah, she's
Have
gonna.
to run.
No.
You want us
No
to just leave you
way.
here?
Yes.
There's no way that.
I will not turn into one of those things.
Oh, look at the veins in her neck. It's getting closed like it's just spreading and that. Oh.
It's easy for me.
I can find.
No, just go!
She's just sad, man.
Just fucking go.
She's just sad. That's my babes. That is, you know, like you don't understand what we've been through.
Sorry, I didn't mean for this.
Get a move on.
Yo, in the next life. Take a deep breath, babes. You got it, man. You got it, man. Trust me, you got it. Don't even let them M you off like that. Fucking hell, she's gonna go out like that. Oh no, I don't even get to see. Like, it's my baby girl,
What the
man.
fuck? I can't believe we did that.
Stop.
Yo, you just allow it, Ellie.
We
You
just
just
left
allow
her to
it. You just
die.
allow it.
Stop.
You just allow it.
Stay close to me. We have to move.
Oh man.
Fucking get off. Oh, let's just get off. Ah! Let's get off, man. Let's get off. Let's get off. Ah, she's screaming and that. Allow it. Are you? No way. Target neutralized. Allow it.
Copy that.
I'm killing him. I have to kill him.
You, take out the door.
Nah. You fucking dumb. You fucking dumb. Allow that kid up my girl like that. Fuck that. I'm reloading my thing. I'm not letting him go. Yo, how much bullets do you need? What you? Nah, this guy's trying to run on that. Yo, I will go down. Yo, black guy. I don't know why I have to do you like that. I have to get done like that. Ooh, headshot. Who's next? Who's next? Trying to kill Tess. Who's next? I will go down now. I'm going back. Yo, girl, stay there. Yeah. You killed my babe. Dickhead. Yo, guys, I'm sorry you had to see that, but like, yo, that's just Tess at the end of the day. You know what I mean? Like, I couldn't let them go like that. This girl understands it. Come on, man, let's go. Let's go. Look at her, bro. Like, fucking hell, man. So I need to actually like find bullets now because I've wasted like so many. But yo, rest in peace, Tess, though, man. But we gotta keep it moving. Like, you know how it goes in this world. You gotta just keep it moving. I got 2 bullets in a dream. That's all you need. 2 bullets in a dream. You know what I mean? You know, one of them ones. Oh. So he's got a rifle for me. I love to see that. But hopefully he doesn't come alive and just try to take me while I can take his rifle. It's alright, bro. Oh, little sniper! They shouldn't have gave me a sniper, I'll be honest. They shouldn't have gave me the rifle like that. Now the aim's on civilization. Any resources in there though? Yo, girl, make sure you're looking around for the resources and everything there. Okay, to quickly swap weapons and that. Oh, I like that. I do like that. What are the weapons? How much weapons can you even get on this game? Okay, I'm not gonna crouch. I'm gonna crouch.
What do we do?
Oh.
I got this.
I'm not looking to scrap right now, bro. I ain't got that much bullets, man. Yo, I'm sorry, bro. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. There's no way like I don't scrap these lot in it. You know what I mean? I can probably kill this guy because it's a bit closer. I'm gonna kill this guy, to be fair. I'm gonna strangle him to the 8th. Oh, but there's a guy right there. Okay, now if he goes behind, ooh, I can probably. Oh my god, it's Pete.
Fireflies! Pin him down! I got him!
What you could counter?
Oh, fuck.
That's how I'm feeling. Oh, seal. Oh shit, you shooting like that? You got to aim like that, you. Oh my god, yo, it's Pete.
Right there.
Tell him to peek it again. Yo, quickly little crafter. Yo, I need health after that one. So there's definitely more guys, yeah? Need the ammo, thank you. Oh, this guy here, headshot one. Look at that. That's what you call the peekers. Like, we call that little peekers. When we just walk him down, you just walk him down. You know what I mean? Like, once you walk him down, he can't do nothing. Because once he peeks you, it's over for him.
Right.
So you gotta walk him down. Don't be scared. Hold on. If you don't know about that tune. So obviously he's getting wrapped up. It's like, it's a black man to you. Like, I don't like doing it to the black men, but like, at the end of the day, what do you think you're doing at the end of the day? I mean, what do you think you're doing? See, gal, I'm sorry you gotta see. Ooh, 6 bullets for me. Alright.
Over here!
Oh! Reload that bitch. What are you doing, bro? Like, bro, that helmet is actually so good. Like, oh, is that how he's trying to play with it? Dickhead, have some manners trying to play fucking ringer roses with me. Shit. Oh, headshot! Headshot, baby! Who's next? Yo, I ain't ramping with these lot, you know. Oh shit, alright, let's get up. That's the tactic, you know, one shot and then whack him. I'm just running through with a gun, to be fair. Oh my god, my aim's so good, like, my aim's just so good, like, this is just target practice for these zombies, really. Oh, great aim, man. Good fight, guys. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Oh my god, they're moving. Bro. Go on, guys, she's getting off. Yo, this is just mad. Give me one of them machine guns.
Copy that.
How the hell are you breathing in this stuff?
I wasn't lying to you.
Oh my god, so she could just do the mad thing, really.
Did you spot him?
Oh my
No,
gosh.
the place is empty. I didn't see anything. Search the area. Find them and get the hell out of here before any clickers show up.
See, these men are scared of the clickers, because you know the clickers don't play. So obviously, we're gonna have to get caught then. Actually, not really, because I can just fuck this guy up quick. No, I can't. quickly, bro. You know, he's got to deal with him. You know, he's got to kind of deal with him.
I don't even know what
Here's how this thing's gonna play out. You don't bring up Tess. Ever. Matter of fact, we just keep our histories to ourselves.
Yo, don't be sad to the gal.
Secondly,
God,
don't tell
Tess is my
anybody about your
babes.
condition. They think you're crazy, will try to kill you. And lastly, you do what I say.
When I say it, you get me.
We clear?
Let him know.
Sure.
Yeah.
Repeat it.
Repeat that shit, beat Chaney.
What you say goes.
Good.
That's good enough, still. It's good enough. It's
There's
good
a
enough.
town a few miles north of here. There's a fella there that owes me some
Yo,
favors.
3 new followers to stream. I didn't see who
Good
also
chance he
followed
could
me,
get
but
us a
whoever
car.
did, I appreciate ya.
Okay.
Let's
I
get a move
appreciate
on.
the 3 followers and everyone who's watching. Yo, I appreciate you all. Oh my god.
Stay back.
I just took a risk. I took a risk. I took a risk. I took a risk. Move, man! You see this girl trying to get me killed? You! I'm just gonna go lick him as well then. And I'm sorry, but I want to test it out again. Come here, come here. Come here. What's going on? Yeah. You get me? Alright, we're gonna leave them alone now. Have you watched the series? There's a series of this. What the fuck? Since when did these not have a series? Nah, bro, I ain't watched it. Is it worth the watch, though? Bumbleclot!
What the hell was that?
Yo, these are setting booby traps, bro.
Bill's traps.
Okay, so we've got to watch out for
Friend of your
boobies.
paranoid, maybe?
That's putting it lightly.
Yeah, you just got toasted. Everything like that, man. Oh! So what? Crossbow thing! Ah, crossbow! How do I use a crossbow? Alright, so we're going to have a little shot now. We're going to see how this actually goes. So draw that one. Oh. Fuck, I missed, man! Okay, so little gravity things. No, just stay there, man. Yo, stay there. So like, what's the drop like? You know what I mean? Fucking hell, she's bare moving. Okay, so headshot is a kill. So headshot is a kill. Who's making? Why are you making so much noise? Bumbleclad! Oh, what shot? Oh, that's a shot. Get the ball back.
That thing scared the shit.
Bro, look at it right in the corner of his head. Nah.
While we're here, let's
Look at that
search
aim
the
there.
place.
Look at that aim, right in the crevice of his cranium. Like right in the crevice of his cranium, I'm telling you. Okay. I like that. I like that. I like that.
Just stay close.
Gotta check the drawers and the supplies. What's this? Some ammo. All my guns reloaded because I got a tendency for not reloading my guns. So when I switch to the gun, I just have no ammo anyway. All my guns are reloaded. To be fair, I got normal crossbow ammo. I'm a bit upset about that. Don't waste the bullets, yo, bro. No, I'm sorry. Oh shit! That is a good trap. I'll be real. That is a good trap. Great trap.
What
Great
just
trap.
happened?
Great trap. That got me.
One of Bill's stupid traps.
I'm gonna use that in the future. They want to try to sneak up on me. I'm putting a fucking fridge to the
There,
ceiling, mate.
that fridge, it
And
looks
then
like that's a counterweight.
And then shouting. Why are you shouting my name?
Shit, here they come.
Boom, boom. Aim's on point. Try to show him. Bomba seed. Leave me alone! Fight her off, bro. Bang!
How's it looking?
Oh my god, I missed. Oh my god, this is my aim's bad. Yo, I'm panicking. I'm losing my job. Bang! Alright, okay, aim's back now. Aim's actually on point now. No! Oh, got him. Why is Ellie moving like a fucking knobhead? Somebody tell me. Oh my god, my aim's so bad. Over here, bitch, nigga. Ellie! Yo, she's actually paid. Thank you! Her aim is poor. After this, we're gonna have to get her to the shoot. Oh! Who's that? Oh!
Get off your ass on your
Oh my god. So now you wanna come and start chopping off heads? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Run. I don't know where. Okay, he's got it. I'm following this guy. He's got 30. Don't worry, I've got the aim on me too.
Which way? Alright, we'll cut through.
Cut through where, bro?
Run, Ellie.
Come on.
Guys, behind us!
You get me! You come at aim! Us. Oh shit, okay, let me lock in.
Bill, they're coming to the door.
Oh my god.
Fucking do it. Hey, that's our only way through.
Ah! Oh my god, I'm so bad. I'm actually so bad. Fucking dumb.
Alright, come on, we're almost there. Follow me. God damn it, they're coming
Yo,
over.
why are these up so active, bro? Like, what? Like, who invited these up to the party?
Move, Ellie, move.
Why is he just crouching? Run. Yo, she's actually mad. Shut that door, bitch. Hold that door now. Hold that door.
Man, that was close.
Yo, Jesus is on my side. I'm just gonna show you.
Thanks for the heroics and all.
Who's my man? Coming in chopping off heads like that.
Ellie.
Yo, I appreciate the like on the live.
Hey,
Love
what
my
are you
guy.
Joel?
Bill,
What are you
My like
doing?
fucking arms as well.
Turn around and get on your knees.
Hammer them man Ron.
turn around. Alright,
JC,
get on
I
your
think it
knees.
says. Oh shit, why am I getting on my knees? Slaps already. Just fucking met ya.
Anything sprout? God damn it, I'm clean.
Yeah, I'm clean, bro.
See
No
so much as a
STDs
crack.
right here. Boy! Go on, gal.
Stop.
Oh shit, yo, let her lick him up, bro. Fuck that guy.
You
Trying to get me
done?
on my knees and
Am
that.
I done? You come into my house, you set off all my traps.
Yo, what you saying?
You
Yes,
damn near
JC,
break
what
my
you saying?
shooting
What
arm.
you saying?
Who the fuck is this punk and what's she doing here?
I am none of your goddamn business.
Innit,
We're
bro?
here because you owe Joel some favors. And you can start by taking these off.
Yo, I rate that
Favors
girl.
is
I
some
rate that girl.
joke.
Just let him
Cut to the
fucking
chase.
know.
I need a car.
Quick. Oh, you're getting drive. Do I get to drive? Do I get to
Joel
drive?
needs a car.
You see little stiggers.
Well, if I had one that works, which I sure as hell don't, what makes you think I'd just give it to you? Huh?
'Cause you
Yeah,
owe
sure,
me,
Joel,
bruv.
Go ahead, take my car.
Free fire
Take all
I
my
gave you,
food
you
too
dickhead.
while you're at it.
By the looks of it, you could lose some of that food.
Listen to me, you little shit.
No, fuck you. You handcuffed
I
me.
need you to shut up. All right?
Whatever favors you think I owe you ain't worth that much.
Actually, Bill, they
See
are.
how the aim was moving though. That's
Well, it don't matter because I don't have a car that works.
you know what I mean?
There is one in this town,
Parts. There are parts in this town.
meaning that you could fix one up.
Wasted all the corn. Avs, you don't really know about the aim like that, so please just stop that
Alright.
kind of stuff.
If I'm gonna do this, there's some gear I'm gonna need.
All right.
It's on the other side of town.
So
you
now
help me
I've
go
got sent
gather
on
it.
another errand.
And
to just
maybe
go
I
get
can put
Merc
something
to-
together that runs.
I don't mind anyway, because I
After
want to drive
this,
a car.
I owe you nothing.
Unreal. Yes, Marcus
fine.
Roberts.
A couple of days from now, we'll
I'm not
probably be dead
joining that
anyway.
live.
You done?
Can't even begin to think what the
Right,
inside
okay,
of
these start
the
moving a bit
engine
slower now. Let's go.
Only ones making new car batteries.
Oh! What? Where the fuck did these up come from? I'm gonna die. Did anyone, was it just me, or did I did not see these zombies just in the corner just having a flipping meeting? Like, what? See, these zombies are important here. Oh, my aim is so bad, like, give me a sec, man. Fucking hell, you Fuck away from me. And you too. Look how the shot is actually turning them into this. Yeah, the shot is new favorite gun. Oh my god, look at it, man. Look at the way it's moving on them. Look at your hand, it's over there, mate. Why is your hand over there and not on your arm, son? Ah. Fucking bitch, bro, baiting me out. Yo, I didn't have to do it, but I will back out a shotgun on every flipping zombie in this damn building. They're sleeping. Oh my god, 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 they're just here sleeping. They just sleep standing up. These are just weird. Their faces already fucked. Now they're sleeping standing up. So this one has to die because I don't know who you thought you could just step in here like my name's. Is it gonna make better noise if I kill her? I don't need to kill her. I don't need to kill her. I don't need to kill her. I don't need to. There's no point. There's so many. Oh my god. There's a gun in there. I don't want it. Oh my god. Please, I just want a gun. Bruv, I'm over the gun. Grab the bitch. Hey. Alright, I'm good. I'm gone. I'm sorry for disturbing you. I'm sorry for disturbing you. Oh, I'm sorry. But then we're gonna low-key when I find him, I was banging. See, but I don't really care, so I'll just run at him. How much are them? Bomba! Oh my god. I'm dead. Just take me. Just take my soul. Just take me. Oh, Ellie! I need a shotgun! I just got right hooked and slept by a zombie. This shotgun's too cold. I'm using the shotgun from now on. Let's go. Don't care. Blood clot. Okay, I've been caught again. Oh my god, what the fuck are you doing? Alright. I keep thinking squares to reload. Okay. So surely we just wrap these lot up with a fucking dotty. Actually, I got a shield, but these I can see. Fucking little bang in your jaw as well. Then I need this one. Oh. Oh shit! What the? Get me! Get me! Get me! I'm just too techie. I was too techie with it. Alright.
That was fucking close.
Bruh, don't worry about it, gal. You know how I move. Oh my god, of course.
That don't sound good.
What the fuck is that shit?
What the fuck is that?
It's a goddamn bloater.
Oh, what?
Ellie, take
Fuck's a
cover.
bloater?
I got this.
Do I got this? Oh my god. What? He's throwing shit at me, bro! Bumbleclad!
Stay away from me.
Man said a bloater. You just got a... Get me that fucking bloater. What? No way, he's got a big back as well. Don't worry like that. He's stupid. Nah, I need to stop wasting that actually. Let me chill out.
What was it?
You.
Let's go, people.
Just jump up there, and hurry up, man. Alright,
come on.
Oh. Give me a second.
Joel, behind you!
What? Let me up then.
Shit.
Oh, headshot. Headshot.
I
Ooh!
hate those things.
See, when the alien's moving like that, you don't really worry about what's behind.
Let's go.
Oh shit, sorry. My bad.
Pull me up.
Sorry, I was on my phone, man. That's why I just fucked up there. Almost died.
Inside the house now.
So that worked out well.
I would not survive in this apocalypse in real life.
I'll go check out this side of the house.
Bill?
Somebody had the same idea. They stole my shit.
Well, then what the hell is plan B?
You ought to be thankful you're still drawing breath.
Bro, you thankful because of me?
C, all the way to fucking Z. And furthermore, tell Tess that she can take this
you
job.
bring Tess
She
into
can
this.
shove it right up
Nothing to
her
do with... Jesus. What, you know this guy or something?
Frank.
Who the hell's Frank?
He was my partner. He's the only idiot that would wear a shirt like that.
He's flipping M'd him. Why is he M'd himself? Like, why has he done that?
He's got bites. Here. And
I reckon he didn't want to turn. So
yeah, I guess not. Well, fuck him.
Fuck him, that's your boy. What? You starting the car out there?
Look what I found. It's got some juice in it.
No way. No way.
That's my battery.
This is looking like it's part 2.
Fucking asshole.
This is looking like it's part 2, man.
Get out. Get out.
Okay. Jeez.
You just gotta be fixing that
Battery's
bitch.
drained, but cells are alive.
meaning?
Meaning, we push it, get it started, the alternator will recharge the battery.
Is that your guess?
Look, you wanted a plan B.
Innit?
As good as it gets.
This is as good as it gets. But you're not gonna see me play this part, guys.
What
I'll
you
be real,
thinking?
because I am ending stream after this cutscene.
You drive and we push.
But I'm back, literally. This is where I'm at. This is where I'm at. This is where I'm at.
That's
Yo, everyone who's watched, everyone who's followed, I appreciate it, man. People in the chat like Ruby, you've been here for a minute. I appreciate you. Mohammed, you've been here for a minute. I appreciate you. Ron, Elliot, D9. Yo, I appreciate you all, man.